Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the number plate bulb in a Mark II Ford Focus. Now this is a quick, easy job, and all we need is a Phillips screwdriver, which I have here, a flathead screwdriver, which I have here, and a new bulb, which I don't have here. But never mind, I'll find one somewhere. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Now the Mark II Ford Focus has two number plate lights, which are easy enough to find. So we need to start with the badge there in the centre of the tailgate, and then look down and to the right under this lip. Now let me get my torch in there so we can get a decent view. There is one of the lights, and then if we move to the left, that's the handle for the tailgate, and the second number plate light is just there, and that's the one we're going to play with today. And the first thing we need to do is undo those two silver screws. So this is when we need our crosshead screwdriver. I happen to have a ratchet one, which makes life a bit quicker, and I like the noise. So here comes number one. There we go, try not to drop it. And number two, which is a little awkward to get to because the camera is in the way. But nonetheless, there it is. Now I was going to suggest you keep track of your screws by putting them in a magnetic parts tray, as I have here, but it turns out these particular screws are not magnetic. Look. Oh well. So now we need to pry the light down away from the car using the flathead screwdriver in there. Should come down fairly easily, which indeed it has. And there we go, we can see the bulb. Now to get the bulb out, I'm just going to pry open the contact with my flat-headed screwdriver, and then with a little bit of... very important to drop it on the floor as well. So this is our replacement bulb, which is a 12 volt, 5 watt, and it looks like this. So now we need to insert the new bulb between this contact here on the left and the other one there on the right. So let's see how we get on. It just pushes in. This will be easier for you than it is for me because you won't have a camera in the way. Okay, and oh, there we go. We've been lucky in first time. And next, of course, we need to push the whole light back into the tailgate, like so. There we are. Stay. And now we just need to pop those screws back in, which shouldn't take a moment. Nearly. There's number one. Number two. I'm not doing these up too tight. Just nicely snug. Finally, of course, we should turn on the lights to check we've been successful. Fingers crossed. Moment of truth. And yeah. Absolutely fine, and just to be sure, that one's okay too. Happy days. So there you go. That's how to change a number plate bulb in a Mark II Ford Focus. Specifically in this video, we're using the early Mark II from 2005. Now, if you're not already subscribed to Car Spy TV, by all means do so. We have all kinds of Ford Focus content and plenty of other cars as well. But that's all for today. It's going to rain, so I'm going indoors.